Hey, how y'all doing, man? This was my break. I was informed that I got lights, and whenever I slow down or I try to come to a stop, my lights disappear. I came home and started inspecting stuff and saw that the covering on this wire had totally ate away. And I was just gonna go ahead and put them back together. These are speaker wires. This is set up for a trailer. See it light up? Your side light on the trailer. And I got the brake lights as my running light. So for some reason, I don't know if my wires thin, my generator pumping too much juice, or what's going on. But we finna fix it. Yep, we finna take care of that sucker today. I'm gonna take all that off. I wanna disconnect my horn. Ground this one just to the body. And yeah, I got my work cut out, but I got better wiring, see, and be careful with what I'm doing. You know, being handicapped, I can't just jump off this sucker. I will if I had, but I really don't want to get off of my stuff. Let me get it running right. When I pedal my headlights, yeah, my headlights light up at both ends, even in the daytime, just by me going. And at night, I got battery on. Whenever I come to a stop, I can run that continuously without having lights, without having to be moving. This is what generates me while I'm going. I'm going to rearrange there. My battery's just going to be when I'm sitting at a stoplight. I'm going to get all this right, and we're going to be good. You're the one build it. You're the one build it, kid. I was paying attention to some crazy mess today. Every so often, I pay attention to nutty people and what they do insane stuff, you know? Kids in home without parent, how, or a possibility is for this kid to get into trouble because he only got one parent. You ain't never had no mama that really stepped in you, man. A couple of years ago, we had a Texas mom that the neighbors had to go bail her out, man. She got a call that her babies was bringing stuff at home that she ain't paid for. When she went there, she took care of her problem. Birds of a feather flock together. So there was some other kid there that needed to be taken care of too. And after tearing his behind up, they pressed charges on her. I don't know if it's okay to discipline your own child anywhere. But it's definitely not okay to discipline your neighbors. We live in a different community, different times. People get in trouble for doing the right thing. It's nuts out here. Keep y'all head up. They out of shit. Yeah, hey. Be good, man. Spread some love in the world. No hate, man. Love your brother. Love your sister. No matter color of their eye or their skin, man. Push forward. Do the right thing. I'm going to take everything off and rewire them. I'm going to kind of show y'all what it's like. It's a wire harness. It might be called a fire harness. To be honest with y'all, you feel me? But your boy gonna take it all apart. I'm gonna keep my lights where they're at, pretty much. I'm just gonna clean my wiring up. I'm gonna clean my wiring up. So y'all check back in on the process. Until then, I'm doing this, y'all. Lighten it up. My headlight and my horn is gonna stay up whether my battery is on or not. So I'm gonna ground this one to the body and send this one directly to my generator. Okay. And that's gonna be it for wires up front.